Hey guys, and welcome back to Smart Money Minds. In this episode, I'm going to be going over why American Express, AMEX, has the best overall credit cards for travel for Canadians. And no, I'm not sponsored by American Express. I just think that they have really great cards that fit our needs. And when I mean travel, I mean flights and hotel benefits. The main reason that American Express points is the most advantageous, in my opinion, is that they can be transferred into many different airline rewards and also 3 different hotel partners. And it offers the most flexibility in terms of just traveling worldwide. There certainly are better cards out there if you're just planning to travel between a specific location. For example, from the US to Canada, or Canada to Europe, or Canada to Asia. But American Express membership reward points are really the most flexible points out there. As you see here, there are 2 airline loyalty programs that transfer 1-to-1, Aeroplan and British Airways Club. There are also 4 other loyalty programs to transfer into for 1 to 0.75 ratio, which are Asia Miles, Delta Sky Miles, Etihad Guest, and also Alitalia. So Aeroplan is the loyalty program for Air Canada and is a major partner in the airline alliance called Star Alliance. And so it's the foundation of Canadian travel, really, especially for my own travel plans. British Airways Executive Club is obviously for British Airways, but it also allows you to travel within the One World Airline Alliance. Between those airline loyalty programs, there are even more selection of airlines that you can take. For example, Aeroplan is part of Star Alliance, so you can take flights from pretty much any Star Alliance members, like United Airlines, All Nippon Airways, Air New Zealand, Singapore Airlines, just to name a few. And if you look at British Airways Executive Club, they can take flights from Cathay Pacific, anyone from other One World alliances like Qantas and American Airlines. And don't forget that Alitalia and Delta are partners in SkyTeam, which is another giant airline alliance. And they have airlines like KLM Air France, they do Korean Airlines, China Airlines, just to name a few. American Express points also allow you to transfer into 2 hotel partners, which is Marriott and Hilton, which gives you the option to live in comfortable hotels pretty much anywhere in the world. For hotel redemptions, Marriott Hotel has a slightly better transfer ratio at 1 to 1.2 compared to Hilton Hotels, which is 1-to-1. If you're a starter and you've never gotten an American Express card before, what I would recommend is to get the personal gold card. It's a $150 annual fee, but you get the option of opening an additional free card for your spouse, which makes it easier for you to get points because you got 2 people spending money now. For the AMEX Gold Card, you earn 2 points for gas and groceries and 1 point for all your other everyday purchases. And the welcome bonus is 25,000 membership points. So that's a round trip from Vancouver to Orlando already if you just transfer those points to Aeroplan. Another great card, if you have a bigger budget, is to get the personal platinum card, which is a $699 annual fee. Yes, it sounds like a lot, but you also get an annual $200 travel credit every year. So that really only brings it down to $499 for a total of 50,000 welcome bonus points. With this card, you get 3 times the amount of points for dining, you get 2 points for travel and 1 point for everything else. So given the rate of your points you're earning and also hitting your minimum spend, it's pretty easy to hit 60,000 points really quickly. So with a 1-to-1 transfer of Asia Miles, it takes 60,000 points for an economy round trip between Hong Kong and Vancouver. So it's quite easy to earn your round trip ticket with your platinum card by spending $500 on annual fees, but a flight between Hong Kong and Vancouver generally costs us more than $1,000, so you're saving half on that. So let's look at a couple of transfers for your points to hotels. Marriott and Hilton rooms are often around 30,000 points or higher per night. However, you can be guaranteed a comfortable stay with these brand name hotel chains. Once again, all you have to do is transfer your AMEX reward points to these hotel loyalty programs like the Marriott Bonvoy or the Hilton Honors in order to get instant access and bookings. If you're into churning, that means signing up as a new member for different credit cards for their welcome bonuses and their sign-up bonuses, then the best combo right now for American Express is to do a 4-card combo, which is signing up for a personal gold card, then signing up for a personal platinum card, then switching to a business gold card, and then switching to a business platinum card. And you can get a total of 145,000 welcome bonus points in 1 year. And that's not including points for you needing to hit minimum spend, and that's only a total of $1,400 in annual fees. With 145,000 American Express points, you can transfer it for over 100,000 Asia miles, which is good enough for a Hong Kong to Vancouver return ticket on premium economy class, which usually goes over $3,000. And you still have points left over to spare as well. Don't forget that your platinum cards can also get you lounge access in many airports around the world, so you're talking about traveling in style. When I'm talking about applying for a business card, don't really worry too much about it, because for a business card, you don't really need to have a business. You can claim that you're a small business just buying and selling, even if it's selling on, let's say, Facebook Marketplace or on eBay, then you're really qualified for a business card. With a little bit of work, calculations, and planning, you can be saving a massive amount of money for your dream flight or for that awesome hotel that you've always wanted to stay at, and American Express Points allows you the ability to do that. Lastly, I want to mention the American Express Kobo Card here as well. And don't be mistaken, the American Express Kobo Card is a great card, but unfortunately the reward points for the Kobo Card are different than the reward points for the gold and platinum cards. So don't mistake those as a whole one combo point. We'll talk a little bit about the American Express Kobo Card here as well, which is also an amazing card which offers you 5 points for every dollar spent on groceries and restaurant purchases, 2 points for every gas and travel, and 1-to-1 to everything else, which is also great redemption. And this card is only $10 a month, which adds up to $120 per year. With the Kobo Card and the Kobo reward points, you can't transfer those points to different airline loyalty programs, but you can use those points through the American Express system to redeem them for flights and hotels. But we'll talk about that in another video, and if you guys are interested in hearing more, let me know in the comments below about the Kobo Card and just express your interest so I can look into making a video for that. But as you see, American Express offers a great variety of different products that really gives great travel perks. And I would say that the only drawback for American Express is that not all retailers in Canada take it. Many stores will still be stuck with just Visa or MasterCard, so American Express is sometimes difficult to use in everyday situations. However, if you do a lot of online spending and online purchases, American Express is pretty much accepted everywhere online. So make sure you comment below about what are your strategies of getting as many reward points as you can, and do you use American Express extensively as well, and what's your favorite card? And if you enjoy my video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to more of my videos, and we'll see you guys next time.